Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reference Picklist field value in Salesforce. This is particularly useful when you need to convert text-based Picklist values into numerical values for reporting, calculations, or sorting purposes. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access Setup in Salesforce. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This takes you to the administrative area where you can configure various aspects of your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, locate the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. Type in Object Manager and select it from the results. The Object Manager is where you can view and modify all the standard and custom objects in your Salesforce org. Now search for the case object and click on it to open its details. Next, click on Fields and Relationships. This section displays all the fields associated with the case object, both standard and custom. Now we'll create a new formula field to reference the Picklist values. Click on the New button to begin creating a new field. From the data type options presented, select Formula as your field type, then click Next. Formula fields allow you to automatically calculate values based on other fields or criteria you define. On the next screen, you'll need to configure your field details. Enter case level as your field label. You'll notice that the field name automatically populates as case_level_C. For the formula return type, select number from the drop-down menu. This tells Salesforce that your formula will output a numerical value. Set the decimal places to 0 since we're working with whole numbers, then click Next. Now comes the important part where we build the actual formula. Click on the Advanced Formula tab to access the full formula editor. You'll see some default text in the editor, so go ahead and delete that. Now enter the following formula exactly as shown: case, open parenthesis, priority, comma, quotation mark, high quotation mark, comma, uno, comma, quotation mark, medium, quotation mark, comma, do, comma, quotation mark, low quotation mark, comma, tree, comma, 0, close parenthesis. This formula converts your priority Picklist values into corresponding numbers. Before moving forward, it's crucial to verify your formula is correct. Click the Check Syntax button. If there are no errors, you'll see a confirmation message. If any errors appear, review your formula carefully and correct them. Once the syntax check passes, click Next. On the field level security screen, you'll see checkboxes for each profile in your org. Check the visible checkbox for the profiles that should be able to see this field. This ensures the right users have access to this calculated value. After selecting the appropriate profiles, click Next. Finally, you'll choose which page layouts should display this new field. Select the relevant page layouts, such as case layout, by checking the boxes next to them. Once you've made your selections, click Save to complete the process, and there you have it. You've successfully created a formula field that references Picklist values and converts them into numbers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.